Cheerful morning to all of you, dear students. Come to our continued topic, model. So, we are till now very familiar with the word model, that what we mean by model. So, as per the meaning and definition of model, that it is just an helping verb or auxiliary verb that express either ability, possibility, permission or any obligations denoting the future actions. The model type are given here, few model. Now here we are going to study the use of model at correct place. So previously we have studied the use of will, would, shall, should. Now in this video we are going to study the use of must, model must, use of model ought to, use of model dare and use of model need. So by following the situation at different situation and with which person we are going to use which model, we are going to learn about this in the videos. Now come to our topic must, the model must, use of must. So when the situation denote any strong obligation or compulsion is shown there or any necessities depicted there, then we are going to use model must. And when we are going to use must, with which person? First person, second person or third person? So here strong obligation is shown, then we use must with third person. He must speak the truth. A strong obligation, a strong duty is depicted there. So we are going to use must with third person. If he must speak the truth. Compulsion is shown there. You must report to the inquiry counter before the interview begin. If any compulsion is depicted there, then we use must model with second person. Necessity is depicted there, then we use must with third person. India must make education available to all in order to become a developed country. So this is a necessity situation, so we use must, the model must here. Now this is all about the use of model must. Now next, use of model ought to. When the moral duty or moral obligation is depicted there or reflected, or any recommendation is made there, or any logical deduction is shown there, then we are going to use model ought to. Example, you ought to obey your parents. This is your moral duty, to obey your parents. So we use ought to with second person. Nafisa ought to speak more carefully to her teacher. This is the moral obligation reflected here. So third person we use ought to. Moral obligation is reflected here. Your teacher left home half an hour ago. She ought to be here any moment. The logical deduction is shown there. So we use the model ought to at various situation, different situation with different person. Second person, third person. And ought to denote what? The moral duty or moral obligation or logical deduction or recommendation. Then we are going to use model ought to. No other model is used at that situation. Next model is use of dare. So dare means showing not afraid of doing something. Means when the situation shows that you are not afraid of doing something. So at that time you use model dare. Dare you argue with me about the issue. Means are you not feeling any afraid of arguing with me about the issue, about the given point or problem. So this shows that no afraid is shown here. So at this time we use model dare. use of need, next model, use of need. So need is also a type of model. So when obligation is shown in question, and that time we use model need. Need I be bothered about this problem? A question is asked there, and obligation is also shown there, but it is question form. So at that time we use model need. So this is all about the use of model. Various models are there, but we have studied a few models like will, shall, would, should, must, ought to, dare, need. So these types of model we have studied in the various videos, and many more models are also there, can, could, may, might. So we will also study about this also, where to use this type of model, at which situation we are going to use, with which person we are going to use the various model at various situation. So this is all about. So read and be devotional to the given lecture, so that you could very well understand this topic model, and this is very important topic. So challenging one also, like the narration I have explained, narration, it was a challenging topic. So likewise model is also a challenging topic. So you will find a little bit confusion, but when you are going to get yourself aware about the situation, the rule at various points, then you will find very easy to for the correct use of correct model at correct place. So that is all about this. Thank you.